Hello, in today's video I will show you how to insert checkbox value into database in PHP MySQL. Right hand side is a web view and my database. There are two fields, ID and color, and left hand side my VS Code. From is checkbox and now write PHP code. PHP first connection the database, include config.php, and after database connection go to form and write method equal to post and action equal to blank. Save. Now if it's set $_ post and pass button name, so submit, copy and paste here. Second bracket, then $colors equal to $post and pass the name of the color, is a color, pass the color. Save. Now write SQL query or insert query. $SQL equal to insert into my table name. My table name is color. Copy, paste, and here pass one parameter, this is the color. Copy and paste and pass the values. Copy this variable colors and pass here. Save. Now write my SQLi query. $connection $SQL. Save. Reload the page and check the red color and submit. Go to database and reload the database. Color red is submit. Same as green, submit and reload. Okay, this way you can add or insert checkbox value into database in PHP MySQL.